This is a story named Mina's Wild Ride Through the Tummy Tunnel. Mina was a tiny, mischievous food particle, a little speck of a sugar donut, and she loved causing trouble. As she is curious about the human tummy, whee! She squealed as she tumbled down the tummy tunnel, as a slippery slide leading to the great gurgling stomach sea. Slow down, you little rascal! Boomed the stomach sea, a vast churning pool of acid and enzymes. I have a job to do. Mila, however, was not one to be told what to do. She bounced and dodged, giggling as she bumped into other food particles. Look out! Mushy peas coming through! The stomach sea, trying to keep its cool, began to churn harder, splashing acid and enzyme onto Mila. I'm breaking you down, little donut, turning into a gooey goo. Mila surprisingly loved the tickling feeling. More, more! She cried, spinning into the acid bath. Just then, the stomach gate opened and Mila was swept away in a rush of gooey food mush. Whoa! Where are we going now? She yelled as she entered the long, winding intestine trail. The intestine trail was a bustling marketplace filled with tiny finger-like villagers who were busy absorbing nutrients. Welcome, little one, they chirped, grabbing bits of Mila's sugar goo. We'll take that energy. Mila, through a troublemaker, was also a bit of show off. She zoomed past the Bailey, leaving a trail of sugar goo. Catch me if you can, she taunted. The village tried, annoyed, were persistent. They worked together, grabbing as much of Mila's sugar goo as they could, turning into an energy for the body. Mila, feeling a little lighter, was swept further down the intestine trail, where she met the water workers. They were busy soaking up any remaining water from the food mush. We need all the water we can get, they grumbled as they squeezed and absorbed. Mila, now just a tiny sticky residue, was finally slowing down. She was tired of tumbling and bouncing. Where am I going now? She asked, her voice barely a whisper. To the exit express, the water workers replied, pushing her towards a dark, rumbling tunnel. The exit express was a bumpy, smelly ride, and Mila, finally exhausted, tumbled down with the rest of the waste. Phew! She sighed as she landed in the toilet. That was wild ride. I'm glad that's over. But even as she floated away, a tiny spark of mischief flickered in her sugary eyes. Maybe, just maybe, I'll come back for another ride someday. And so, Mila the troublemaking donut particle learned a valuable lesson about the digestive system. It's a mildly, bumpy, and sometimes smelly adventure. But it's also part of the body's amazing way of turning food into energy.